Hello and welcome again to Gabbit Media. I'm Grant Abbott and today I'm going to be doing a bit of advertising because I'm looking at World Blender Meetup Day, and someone emailed me and said, oh, can you tell your audience about World Blender Meetup Day? So I thought, well, they will most likely be interested, so here I am advertising. So I've got the website up here, so I'm going to be a bit awkward. It should appear for you just up here, and I've got it in front of me here. So it's on the 16th of March, and I didn't know this existed, but it looks like it's that's a strange one because it says 2019 around the globe, and then it says 16th March 2016. That's weird. I don't know how long it's been going for. I suddenly thought, is that how long it's been going for, or have they made a typo? I think they may have made a typo actually. Anyway, so the site looks cool though. Well done, you guys. So what is it? Let's have a look what it is. Worldwide meetup. So they meet up all over the world and join together in an online on one day. Join together online on one. My reading is dreadful. Good luck following this video. Yeah, it is exactly what it says. They meet up, and I think by the sound of things, yeah, follow the stream online on the YouTube channel for 24 hours of pure Blender joy. And who doesn't love pure Blender joy? So do join them. There's a subscribe button at the top here by the looks of things. Join speakers and city groups. So LA Blend, Blendswap. Blendswap's quite cool actually because there's lots of Creative Commons objects you can use. I was just using it the other day actually with plants that I wanted for my lion thing that I'm doing. So do I need to re-record this video? No, I'm just going to keep going because this is pretty bad, but hopefully you get the idea. I'm trying to do a shout out for these guys because anything Blender is great, isn't it? And I want to spread that news in case you hadn't heard of it like I hadn't. I'm just kind of scrolling down through the site. So North America, Middle East and Europe, Asia, I was going to say Pacific, so Asia Pacific. Oh no, this is awful. Anyway, so does that mean they've got different things going on in different locations? Yes, it does. Yeah, so it was that was probably my internet was the problem there, that wasn't updating. Island Blender users, Eevee rendering and particle effects, Blender to Unity game engine. I mean, who doesn't want to know about that? All you gamers. Realistic human head photogrammetry with David McDermott. Both of those with David McDermott. That sounds quite interesting. So by the looks of things, so if I press subscribe, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and there's the email address, but there's also sign up as Meetup. So I suppose, actually yes, you sign up to the YouTube, don't you? And then the stream will go live on that day. So that's the thinking. Hopefully I've made some sense of this. I feel like I've done this a poor service, but I'm hoping you get the idea, and you can always go on the site for yourselves. They've got a little video and everything. A little video here, and oh, it's got some funky little music, and I'll try and put that full screen. There we go. Oh, it's all happening. So I'll turn the music down a bit. Well, it looks like they're doing some interesting stuff and streams. I think this would be a good opportunity to see what's going on. I'm assuming with the streams then you can ask questions from what I've seen. I haven't looked into YouTube streams much, but it might be a good opportunity to immerse yourself in the community. I always talk about that. If you're really into something, just immerse yourself in it, and that helps to learn it. It's quite strange that in a way, like learning a new language. You just sort of try and keep immersing yourself, listening to it. Same with Blender. Just keep immersing yourself in with it, and you'll get better. So this is an opportunity to do that. Lastly, last day for the competition is today. So if you're watching this video tomorrow, you're too late. And the theme was deadly, and you can get your picture up on the Wall of Fame on this fantastic YouTube channel, which is obviously making heads turn because people are starting to contact me and say, can you advertise Blender World Day Meetup? They probably won't after seeing this. Well, they probably won't watch this video because it's quite a small channel really, but yeah, big things happening at Gabbit Media. I think I've probably said enough now, so I'll see you next time.